Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your own face in Leonardo AI. To do this is pretty simple. So here in AI image generation, we're going to do this with a free account. We're not going to do it with the complex version with your subscribed accounts, because I know all of you don't really have the subscribed accounts. So we'll do it with the free one. So the first thing you'll have to do is fine tune your model, of course. So let's do Alchemy V2 right here. So let's do Leonardo style, and you can add elements. So by adding elements, so let's do something like CGI or cybertech, or let's try to select something else that would fit us in the real world. So let's do solar punk right here. Let's confirm it and let's see. So basically, to do this and look like your own, so all you have to do is actually go to image guidance. So here in image guidance, you will have to drag your own photo. So we'll use a photo of Morgan Freeman right here, so that of our reference. So basically right here, the aspect ratio, let's just set it right there. So here's our image to image guidance. So type a prompt, so me with a capybara. So let's just do something simple, and then there you go. So let's generate something. So it's gonna reference my picture, of course. So let's see if it has done something, and there you go. Of course, you're gonna have to be more specific than just me with the capybara. So you will have to do negative prompts, something you don't want. So like double body parts, your face as a capybara, something like that. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.